Okay, now after booting the Arcade Bonnet kernel module / driver should be working. Next, I need to define the mapping from my Phat Pocket Arcade controls, that is the Arcade Bonnet controls, to keyboard presses in the correct way. And to do that, let me first show how I want the mapping to work. So for the analog thumbstick, I want to map the up, down, left and right to the cursor keys, key up, key down, key left, key right. And for the forward-way keys, which are the colored buttons on the right hand side, I want to use up as the select button and map that to key 5. I want to use down as key enter and use that as the A button in EmulationStation. And left I want to use as key 1 and start button in EmulationStation, and right button I want to use as key left alt and B button in the EmulationStation. So this is the mapping, and let's go back to the RetroPie screen on my console, and let's go to the command prompt with F4 like this. And now I need to edit a file in boot called arcade bonnet.py, and this I need to edit it, of course. Edit instead of executing, and here we can see that the default key mapping set up by the installation scripts. And let's change these key map mappings down here. There are 4 analog right, left, down and up settings, and I want to use, remember that I wanted to use the analog right with the key right. Oops. Like so, and then left correspondingly. Down and up. And also for the 4-way keys, the down key, I want that be the enter key, and also the A button key. The up I want to be key 5, and that will be used as the select key. Key right will be key left alt, and that I will use as the B button. And finally the 4-way left, I want to use it as key 1 button and start button on EmulationStation. So that's the mapping I'm going to change. I could have teach the EmulationStation to use the keys, the default keys that the Arcade Bonnet is emitting from those signals, but in that case I also need the keys to work in the Commodore 64 emulator, and that expects these cursor keys plus enter to be used in navigating in the menus. So that's why I'm redefining the analog directions plus the D-pad directions as key presses like this. So let's write this file, and let's reboot, and let's go over the reboot quickly to get back to the configuration screen where we can reconfigure the keys for EmulationStation. So we're back at the RetroPie, and let's now update the configure using the old start button like this, and then we'll try to go to the configure input and confirm that we want to redefine the keys, And now, using the my pocket controls, let's map the keys correctly. Up, down, left, right. As you can see, the analog keys don't really correspond logically to the directions, because the signals that have been connected are in different order than they are in the you would expect them to be. But that doesn't matter, because EmulationStation can do the mapping. And for start, I wanted to use this key. For select, this key here up on the right hand side as the A, the default action button. I want to use this red button on my console, and B, the gray rightmost button here. And everything else I can just skip. By keeping them long pressed, or keeping a key long pressed until it skips that option. Finally, I'm approaching to the end of the configuration. Now I can just confirm OK, OK, or yes, using the A button. And now I should be able to navigate in the RetroPie menus using my stick and these buttons. Yes, I'm back. So we're good now to continue the next video, where I'm gonna set up the display, the mini display, to display everything that you can see so far been seen on the bigger monitor here. So until then, bye.